Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ankita from Trendz&style. Today's video will be a hair care routine for keratin treatment hair or any smoothened hair. You people can actually follow. You can see this is my hair after keratin treatment. It's quite straight and quite smooth and very manageable. I just don't need to spend even 2 minutes on my hair now. I comb it and I get out of my home and it's totally like a salon look. First, let me tell you something that in keratin treatment, this keratin is a layer of protein that is being coated on the hair strands. So this coating will not last forever. It will last for 6 to 8 months depending upon how you're keeping, how you're maintaining, what kind of products you're using to your hair. So the first and the foremost thing that you have to remember is after keratin treatment you should not use any hair product which is containing sulfate, because sulfate is the thing which is eroding out the keratin of your hair. Even if you don't have keratin treated hair, normal keratin of your hair will be lost through using sulfate containing products, and that will lead to damaged, frizzy, dry kind of hair. So whether you have keratin treated hair or not, or normal hair, whatever, stop using chemical based shampoos, conditioners. Mainly sulfate is very bad for your hair. I have done chemical treatments like smoothing and straightening, total I think 5 to 6 times, and every time I had to follow a regime of using professional range of shampoos, serums and conditioners like L'Oreal Extenso range, then L'Oreal Liss range, Matrix Opti-Care range, then Schwarzkopf, then Toni & Guy. There are so many ranges now. This professional range of these brands contain very huge quantity of artificial fragrance, artificial color and smoothing agents, different kind of components which are not very healthy for your hair, that may give your hair a very salon kind of smell and look, but in the long run you will be having hair fall problem, hair graying problem. Chemical treatment is enough damaging your hair. So this time I just promised to myself, like, I am not going to use any professional range of shampoos or conditioners, because those will be containing sulfate for sure. I thought, why not I use herbal shampoos or paraben free, sulfate free shampoos to my hair, even if it is keratin treated. What will happen? Let me try. And this trial actually led me to buy these two shampoo and conditioner from the brand Passion Indulge. It is a papaya shampoo, you can see, and it is the papaya conditioner from the same brand. Shampoo 200 ml comes for 650 rupees and the conditioner 100 ml comes for 325 rupees. Passion Indulge is a new company which is eco-friendly, 100% natural, paraben free, chemical free, sulfate free, artificial fragrance free, artificial color free. Have very good reviews in online sites like Nykaa, Amazon, etc. So I thought to try them. But there is no serum. I didn't get any serum from this range. Using a serum is very important even if you don't have keratin treated smoothened hair. It will lock the cuticles of your hair so that no open cuticle is there, and if there is any open cuticle, the dust and pollution will get inside the hair and it will start breaking. What I did is I made my own serum. You can see it is a normal bottle which I bought, and you can really get this kind of bottle in any grocery kind of shop. I took 2 spoons of aloe vera gel and I filled the rest of the bottle with water. Then I shaken it very well, and now it is a very good spray. Okay, it is just like water. You can see it's just like water. It's just like water and it is a very good serum. This serum is working on my keratin smoothened hair even better than any other professional range. And I just spray it on my hair like this after shampooing. For conditioning of my hair, I just use olive oil overnight and the next day I shampooed. But this time, after using chemical free kind of things on my hair and using this self-made homemade serum, I really am getting better result. I have seen less amount of hair loss this time. So yeah, this is pretty much my routine. So see you in my next video. Till then.